curls right here are giving main character energy. So check out how I got my curls to look like this. Cause I want you to look like the main character all the days of your life. Not just this year, but all the days of your life. So come on, see how I did this. All right, y'all. So I'm starting off with my co-wash with Miss Jessie's Don't Want No Studs. So I wash my hair. Not wash it, y'all. I wet my hair, then I apply the product, as much product as need be. For somebody who ain't got that much hair, I be feeling like I use a lot of product. So comment below on how much product you use if you have short 4C hair like me, because it don't be adding up, okay? It don't be adding up. I'm drying my hair. I used to use a t-shirt. I don't know why I'm using a towel. Anyways, y'all, I was looking for a denim brush at the beauty supply store, but I just found this rubber cushion brush, and I said that's gonna do the job that we need to do to get these curls popping. We keep it on and popping. Ooh. All right, so I'm starting in the front of my hair again. If you haven't checked out my finger coils video, make sure you check that out, y'all. I'm trying out different hairstyles on the short 4C hair. So I'm using my Blue Magic again to grease my scalp, okay? And, I was like, my hair growing, because I can see, the black, my natural color hair growing out. Okay, anyways, we're using Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Curling Gel. And I'm like, I really want my curls to pop, so I'm going to re-wet my hair. We're going to make sure the hair is wet, because we want the curls to be curling. And we know when this 4C hair get wet, it starts getting curly. So I was like, okay, so I'm going to apply the product throughout my hair from the roots to the tips, okay? And I'm going to use my fingers to apply it. Then I'm going to go in with my fake Denman brush, and I am going to brush the curls, and I'm going to go forward, okay? And I'm like, okay, the hair is getting caught a little bit. Okay, maybe this was too much hair. Let's use a little less hair. Girl, your hair is thick and kinky. Like, why would you part your hair like this? It make sense. So sometimes I had to pull a little bit harder than necessary. Just part your hair a little thinner than I did, okay? And I was like, okay, curls, this ain't too bad. So y'all know how this go. You just gonna repeat the process. Go ahead and use your Blue Magic hair grease and go ahead and grease your scalp. Because I know for me, my scalp be getting dry. So I was like, this time, let me comb my hair. Maybe let me detangle it and see if that helps. Then I was like, okay. We're going to detangle wet. We're going to apply the curling gel again to the hair. And we're going to try this thing again and hope that the brush ain't getting caught like it was getting caught before. All right, I came in for a close-up for y'all to see this, okay? I'm like, okay, here we go. I was like, okay, the detangling help. Then I got to this section. I said, wait a minute, let's do the tip, and then let's come back to the root, okay? So sometimes you just got to do the tip and then go back to the root, okay? So I was like, okay, the curls is curling. I was like, if you need to go back in, you can go back in. I was like, let me go back in with the brush, okay? Go back in with the brush, to get these curls some more action. So here I am. I just sped this up, y'all. I'm just repeating the process throughout my whole head. Y'all, this short natural hair journey is no joke. And like trying out different styles with my hair than I did the last time I did the big chop. It's fun, and I'm gonna keep doing this. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment below with other hair products you would like to see me use, okay? So I was really starting to feel myself. I got to the back of my hair. I was like, oh girl, you was doing this without even looking. I'm just feeling my way around. I'm like, it ain't that much hair back there, so this shouldn't be too hard. I was using my finger to part my hair. I said, yeah, it ain't that much hair. Let's be honest with ourselves. But y'all, look at my curls. My curls is giving. And when I got to that final section, y'all, that final suction in the middle, I was like, oh, thank God. Thank God I've made it thus far. Now, this really ain't take me too long. I want to say it took maybe like 20 to 25 minutes. Nothing too crazy. And I'm sure the more that I do it, the quicker it'll get. And it's always different when you're recording. You like to go a little bit slower, just so I can give y'all the gist of what's going on. So now that all that's done, I was like, okay, let me pull the curls together, kind of shape it the way I want to shape it for my fro hawk that I got going on. And I was really feeling accomplished. I was like, girl, you did that. I said, girl, you did that. And then I just take my little baby brush and I brush the sides of my hair down. And then I use my mirror because I got to see what's going on back there. I was like, oh, curls is cute. Colors popping. Curls is popping. What's up? I did that Then I'm going in with my kaleidoscope, my edge control, because I was like, oh, I want to try something out with my edges. Like, I don't really be doing stuff with my edges, but hey, while I'm in the spirit of feeling myself, let me put some edge control on my edges. Let me get my edge brush out and let me see if I can make it do what it do. So I was like, ooh, let me try a swoop. I was like, okay, swoop with my little bit of edges. Swoop, there it is. Swoop, there it is. And I was like, I don't know that it's doing anything for me, so let's go ahead and brush that hair back. It's okay, girl. Just you know what? Just focus on your sides. You ain't got to do all that up there. Just focus on your sides. So I was like, okay, here, let me focus on the sides of my hair and getting them edges brush back. And what you do to one side, you do to the other. I was like, okay, this is cool. This is cute. You know what I mean? This is cute. This does what I need it to do. And look how soft my hair looks. Because it is. It really is. And I was thinking, I was like, do I need to do some edge control and like pull all the hair back? And I was like, no, let's not do that. Then I was like, oh, let me put this edge thing on. I don't know why.
Overall, y'all, I am super happy with my curls, y'all, because my hair was looking real dry this week, and it's looking real moistured and curled right now. So, y'all, this is what I'm going to do. Every week, I'm going to try out a new product and see what works for the curls, okay? So comment below on some products that work for your curls, that get your curls popping. We keep it on and popping. Ooh. I have a couple products already in my inventory that I'm going to use to show y'all how it works on my hair, especially while I got this short, big chop haircut. It's easier. It's easier to figure out what works. This is the best time to figure it out while your hair is short. Figure out what works and what don't work, okay? So make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to comment below on what curl products you're using to get your curls popping, all right? Because this is a team effort. Okay, we all here to help each other out, y'all. We are all here to help each other out. And next time, I will definitely do the sections a little bit less thick, okay? Cause y'all saw sometimes that brush was giving like, oh, hold on, sis. It's too much hair at one time. I know your hair is short, but it's still thick and coarse, so not too much at one time, sis. So that's what I'll do next time, but I am so in love with my curls right now. Comment below, let me know what you think about the curls, and guess what? I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, because we make sure our curls look right all the days of our life, okay? 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 I need to go. So I'll see y'all later. In the next video. Peace.